Hello everybody. Today let's talk about this Nvida Quadro FX3800 video card. So we have an old Dell computer that this video card came in, and it started having weird issues where the computer would start locking up. It was usually occurring during video intensive processes, and the computer would sometimes freeze, and then it got to where it was showing a black screen with dots on it. I'll show you a picture of it right here. So anyway, it got worse and worse over a period of just a few weeks, a few days to a few weeks, and I ended up taking this video card out, and I tried blowing it out with air. Still didn't help. Helped a little bit, but it didn't fix the problem. So I ended up taking the video card back out again and ended up taking it apart. And you've got to take these screws out right here. There's 6 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're little bitty screws, and they're kind of hard to take out because from the factory I believe they Loctite them or something. So you'll need a decent precision screwdriver, something with a large body on it, so that you'll have enough torque to turn those screws out. But anyway, you can take this thing apart, and we'll show this in just a minute. There's a spot right in here where dust collects. I'll show you a picture of it right here. But anyway, it's a bad design where the fan blows right here, and then the dust will collect right in here, and over time it'll overheat this video card. So the GPU will get hot, start having weird flake out issues. And anyway, all you got to do is clean it. Take the cover off of it. I'll show it to you here in a minute, and clean the dust and dirt that gets trapped right here. And again, there's no way for you to blow it out through here. It'll stay trapped in there. You got to pull that cover off. But anyway, let's get to it. You have to excuse me, I'm trying to record and do this at the same time. It's a little bit difficult to do. Right in here, I've already cleaned the dust out of this one, but right in here where the dust will collect, especially right down here in the bottom. And it's simply because this fan, the way it blows, and the cover, I mean, it's a perfect dust trap right in there. Anyway, pull that dirt and dust out, especially if you have pets. Maybe you got pet hair down in there. Get all that cleaned out, and should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And remember, don't be destructive. Fix, repair, create. Make the world better.